All right, guys, we are back at the Convention Center parking garage in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We are going to get a view out of it at night. And we are going to ride the elevators. And this is near Trader Joe's. And you can see, you got the lights. So that's nice. And hurry up before the door closes. All right, here's the elevator. It's already here. We have the generic elevators with Innovation Premier. All right, let's go P10. All right, where do you get a view? Here we are P10. All right.
Parking level 10.
Capacity 3,500 pounds. All right. Okay, let's get another view. All right, we are back at L. Let's send it up to P10.
Floor L. Going up.
All right. There it goes. All right, just watch it go up. All right, let's try to get the other one. Social distancing stickers are still here from COVID year. I don't know if this one's coming down. Yep, this one's coming. All right, here it is. All right. 10. Floor.
3, please.
3. Yeah.
Should have switched with you.
Right. Oh, by the way, notice how the buttons are pushed in too far.
Have a good night.
You too. Yeah, notice how the buttons are punched in. See, P8 is punched in too far right here is P10. Well, look, P10 has been pressed a lot. All right. All right, here we are at P10. And you can see Drexel right here. All right, now let's get a view out here. All right, here goes. And it's gonna go back down. All right, now let's get a view. I heard it's a nice view. Like, as you can see, I think that might be City Hall. I don't know. Tell me which one of these is the One Liberty place or whatever it's called. Over here is another stairs, another exit. I don't know. Maybe that might be City Hall. I don't know. Maybe that might be City Hall. Maybe. Yeah, because I know we're near this way. These are the HVAC units. We're not going to go on top of it, but we are going to get a view. And you can see here's Jefferson right there. This is exit discharge at ground. I don't want to put my camera out back here, but this is like a view from the bottom. Over here's the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. I think, yeah, it's the Ben Franklin Bridge. All right, now let's go this way. We got some more light shows. Got some red and green. We're gonna go this way now. I'm gonna try to get the highest possible vantage points I'll get. And I think up here is the machine room for the elevators. If we go over here, yeah. And as you can see, it is almost 6 o'clock. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Yep, it's almost 6 o'clock. At this point, I need to get home. So here's the view from, I don't know, like, I don't know if you can see Dilworth Park. I don't think you see Dilworth Park from here, but maybe Love Park? No. And then we have a view down an alleyway. And then, yeah. And we have a car that just left. Maybe let's get a view over here. Maybe the machine room might offer a good vantage point, but we're not going to go up there because we know it's locked, and I don't bother going into machine rooms because, you know, over here it looks like an Edwards Integrity right here, and somewhere over here, if you go down that way, this is which way the flush is. So just go that way. Over here might be near where Love Park is. Oh, there's Dilworth Park. So yeah, we could get a good view from up here. And then we have all these lights. It's nice. Even the light show here is nice. Okay, so we've actually had enough time up here, so we're actually gonna go back downstairs because I need to get home now. My mom is probably worried. All right. Which one are we gonna get this time? And here's the horn for the Kawasaki B4 cars on the Broad Street line. Which one are we gonna get? I think we're getting the right one. Yeah, I think it might be stopping on another floor. We'll have to see which one it is that comes. Which one? Waited a while now. At this point, the elevator should be here. Either the left one or the right one. Either the right one or the left one. We got the right one again. All right. And we're gonna end at an L. All right. And now we're gonna get a view out here again. Oh, weird. Someone caught it and left. All right. Oh, we're stopping at P2. Well, these elevators offer a nice view, don't they?
Yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah. I even got to see lots of stuff from the top floor.
I was gonna say you should check out the top of the garage if you want to see a nice view.
Yeah. I already went up to 10. All right. Anyways, it goes. All right, let's watch it go up. Okay, let's go outside actually. See if we can get this in time. All right, here we go. Oh, there goes the elevator. And here's the other one up there. I don't know if we're gonna see the other one come down. Oh, there goes the other one. It's coming down right now. We're gonna watch this one. And I would say, yeah, come check it out, cause there's a lot to see from the top. And here's the elevator. And we're gonna watch it go up again. Actually, no, that'll be it. Yeah, let's. You know what? Actually, you know what? Let's watch this thing up in here. All right. Well, there goes this one. Focus. And that'll be it.